Sharon Bill here. I'm continuing in this series that I'm recording of showing you all of the scale patterns on the piano. And now we're on to the scale of D minor. We're now into the flat keys again. If you want to know why that is, check out the video on the circle of fifths. And also check out the video on the natural minor so you know how I'm talking about the related keys. All of the appropriate material is shown in the links at the end of the video and also in the description below, so that should help you. By all means, figure out why it is that we're doing this. However, for this video purpose, we will just crack on and take it as read that you know where we're going with this. So D minor is related to F major, which means it has a key signature of B flats. And so for the harmonic minor version, we have to remember that we play the key signature of B flat and then we have to raise the seventh. And it makes quite a nice pattern. I imagine that here, the B flat to the raised seventh of the C sharp makes a bridge here. So that's quite a nice visual thing to look out for there. The fingering pattern is quite simple. It's just the standard 3-4-3 fingering. And so although the flats will occur at the same time whilst we're playing in similar motion, the fingering patterns are going to alternate. In the right hand, ascending, the right hand will lead the way and the left hand fingering will follow. And then descending, the left hand fingering will lead the way. We'll look at that when we go hands together. But let's have a quick run up and down of D harmonic minor, right hand only, 3-4-3 fingering with B flats in the key signature and C sharps as the raised seventh. There's our related key. The minor third is always the related key of F major. Tuck under after 3. B flat key signature, raised seventh, C sharp. 3 tuck under. Key signature of B flats, raised seventh of C sharp as an accidental. 3 over. 4 over. C sharp, B flat. 3 over. It's not possible to have a key signature of both a flat and a sharp, and the reason that works out is because the B flat is the key signature and the C sharp is always an added accidental. Let's have a look at the left hand. So the same fingering pattern of 3-4-3 with B flats and C sharps to play. 3 over onto the flat, stretch to your C sharp. Now 4 over, 3 over and finish. 3 tuck under, 4 tuck under, 3 tuck under. Let's have a go with that hands together. So as we ascend, the right hand leads the fingering. As we descend, the left hand leads the fingering. Let's have a look at that. Right hand 3 under now. Left hand 3 over follows. Right hand 4 and then under. Now 4 over in the left to follow. 3 in the right hand, tuck under. 3 over in the left to follow and finish. And now your left will lead the way with the fingering. So there's our C sharp, B flat, 3 in the left and now under, tuck under. 3 over in the right now. 4 under in the left, 4 over in the right, 3 now under in the left, 3 over in the right. So just give a little time to practice that, practice it hands separately, then practice it together. You'll soon get it going. You have to develop what we call finger memory, and the more you play something, the more your fingers kind of become accustomed to it as a reflex action almost, and then eventually you can just rattle away and it's almost as if your brain hardly gets involved. So it's just repetition and practice. Let's have a look at that again. Once you've got it flowing, If you think in twos, it gives it a more musical, rhythmic flow, just to help it move along in a musical manner, and it also helps to avoid clunks and lumps wherever your strong thumb lands. It puts the accents in a musical place rather than just clunking wherever your thumb lands. So if you think in twos, it just sounds more musical, as if it's kind of going somewhere. So that's harmonic minor in similar motion, going in the same direction. Here's D harmonic minor in contrary motion, so we're going to go in opposite directions. And it makes quite a memorable pattern because we've got the B flats to C sharps, and it takes turns which hand has the pattern each time. So you just need to revert your attention to left and right as these patterns dictate. It's the standard 3-4-3 fingering, so your fingering patterns are going to coincide simultaneously, so that helps too. So let's go for it straight away. Here we are then, slowly to begin with, beginning on D. You begin with your C sharp, B flat, tuck outwards after threes. Now your right hand has the B flat, C sharp to fours, tuck outwards. Left hand has C sharp to B flat, after threes, tuck outwards. Now your right hand has the B flat, C sharp, finish. Let's bring that back in. Threes, fours, threes. So just alternate your attention between left and right as you need to keep a track on these fingering patterns. Let's have one more go. We have it. Now let's have a look at D minor, but we'll look at it in the melodic form. So of course we still begin on D, and it's still related to F major, so we have B flats in the key signature. However, the melodic minor will have a raised sixth and a raised seventh, and so in practice what happens is, if we count up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would be the B flat. So to raise it, we have to raise it to a natural, so we become B naturals as an accidental, and then we raise the seventh as C sharps. So raise the sixth to a natural, and the seventh becomes a sharp. So in effect, we've just played C sharps because the B flat has been cancelled out from the key signature. Now coming back down, we come back down in the related key of F major. So now we need to put those B flats back in. So we just have B flats coming down. What we've done is, as we've ascended, we've played just a C sharp, and then as we've descended, we've just played a B flat. We've just swapped which black key it is we play. Let's have a look at that in the left hand. So it's still the same 3-4-3 pattern. Raised sixth is B natural, raised seventh is C sharp. Now 4 over. Raised sixth is B natural, raised seventh is C sharp, and then coming back down we just want the B flats of the key signature back. 3 under, 4 under, 3 under. So we have to just swap which black key we play. Let's have a look at that hands together. B natural, C sharp, 4 under, 4 over, 3 under, 3 over, B natural, C sharp, and then coming back down we swap to B flats, 3 under in your left, 3 over in your right, 4 under in your left, 4 over in your right, B flats, 3 under in your left, 3 over in your right. Just takes a little bit of practice, hands separately and then together, and then get it flowing a bit more musically thinking in twos. So here we go. That's the scales of D minor. I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, if you could give me a thumbs up, give us a like, that would be really encouraging to me. And if you subscribe to my videos, then you're bound to be notified of all the new things that are coming along. I've got so much that I want to tell you, so much I want to share with you. I really enjoy looking into what's behind the music that we play. And by all means, check out the previous videos to catch up on some information of why we're actually doing these things. It is possible to play scales and just play them with just pressing the keys because you've been told to press that particular key. However, I think it's a shame to miss out on why it is we're playing these different keys. So by all means, have a look back and learn about the related minors and that circle of fifths as we keep working through the key signatures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.